Children, we completed up to 15 problems in PPT 18. Today we have to continue from 16. Question number 16. An article was purchased for rupees 160 and sold for 200. The profit percent was cost price rupees 160. Selling price rupees 200. We understood here selling price is greater than cost price. So we get a profit. So profit is equal to get to profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. By observing only we can identify 200 minus 160 of 40 rupees profit we can understood. If you don't know, you may calculate like this: SP minus CP, 200 minus 160, 40 rupees. 40 rupees is profit. So profit percentage, here asked profit percentage. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. So this is the formula. So profit we got 40 rupees. Profit by cost price 160 rupees into 100%, 40 rupees. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100%. This is the formula. $40 by cost price 160 into 100%. 0 0 gets cancelled. 4 1 the 4 4 the 16, 4 1 the 425 the. So 25% is profit percentage. Option 3. Next to 17th one. So question number 17. By selling an article for 700 rupees 750, selling price 750 rupees 750, a man gains 20%. The cost price of the article is, if we know selling price and gain percentage, we can find cost price using this formula. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain percentage or profit percentage. So this is the formula. So selling price here we have 750, 100 by 100 plus gain percent 20, 120. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 325 is a 75, 3 4 is a 12, 4 1 is a 425 is a. So 25 is a 625 rupees. The 625 rupees is cost price. So option is 3. This is question number 18. Cost price cost price of a car. Cost price of car rupees 75,000 67,000. Here 10 percentage increasing. Increase percentage is equal to 10 percentage. So to find after increasing 10 percentage, after increasing 10 percentage, after increasing 10 percentage, the cost price is equal to before cost price 67,000 into 100 plus increasing volume. So 100 plus 10 by 100. So that is equal to 67,000 into 110 by 100. 1010 gets cancelled. This 0 and this 0. So 11 sevens are. First we have to multiply these numbers. Okay, I will show clearly this. First we have to multiply these numbers. 11 sevens are 77. 11 six are 66. 73. Then we keep these two zeros. 73,700 rupees is the cost price after increasing 10 percentage. So option 4. Next question 19. Mohan sold a dozen pencil for 30 rupees and gained a profit 10 rupees 10. Then the percentage of the profit is. Question number 19. Mohan sold a dozen pencils for 30 rupees and gained a profit 10 rupees, rupees 10 profit. So cost price, we have to find cost price. Why should find profit cost price? To find profit percentage, we have the formula profit by cost price into 100 percentage. This is the formula. To find profit percentage, we need cost price. So that's why from this given value, selling price rupees 30. So profit we have how much? 10 rupees. By subtracting this profit from selling price, we get cost price. So cost price 0, 30 minus 10, 20 rupees cost price. So profit percent is equal to profit 10 rupees, cost price 20 into 100 percentage. By observing only we can get the percentage of how much profit. Here profit is 10 rupees, cost price is 20 rupees. We got half of the benefit, 20, 10 is half of this 20. So 50% profit. So we can get to that 50% by calculating also. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 ones 2 5 0, 50%. 50% is the profit percentage. Option 3. By practicing we can get the idea of how to get these options directly. Question number 20 in PPT 18. The shopkeeper purchased 2 dozen brushes at the rate of 10 rupees each dozen. 10 rupees each dozen. He sold each brush for 1 rupee. then is profit is. Question number 20. The shopkeeper purchased 2 dozens. Cost price. Purchase, you have to know children, purchase means, and bought or purchased means cost price only. Purchase or buy, bought, these all are cost price only. So you remember, purchase, buy, bought, purchased, these all are cost price only. So here cost price of 2 dozens, 2 dozens brushes at the rate of 10 rupees each dozen. So 2 dozens, how much? 2 tens are 20 rupees. 20 rupees cost price. He sold each brush for 1 rupee. So selling price, sold means selling price. 2 dozens means 20, 2 12s are 24 articles. So 24 articles, 24 ones are 24 rupees. So here profit is 4 rupees. By observing, we can get selling price is greater than cost price. So we can get profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. 24 minus 20 is equal to 4 rupees is profit. So option 4. So this is the answer.